Alright everyone, back at the computer here. Alright, so we're going to start off by downloading the following programs: Madio, EasyGT, and USBXTAF. You should be able to find them on Google, so I don't really find it necessary for me to have to give you a link. Start off by opening USBXTAF. Now, say no. Now, assuming you've already configured your device, just hit Open USB Drive. It'll open up automatically. Data partition, content, and then the E file, the folder, will be your profile. So hit the big plus, and then here, and then this thing, it looks like it says Coon. I can't really read what that says. Maybe you can. Right click that, hit extract. Save it to your desktop, because that's where you're going to want it. And then see how it's right here. Then just close up this, and here comes the fun part. Open up your EasyGT .rar, and just open up the one with the box with the blue on top. It'll take a couple of seconds to open up. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. Alrighty, now click the blue man right here, hit open, and open up your white piece of paper. It'll be somewhere in your desktop, assuming you've saved it there already. Alright, now from general, go to add. Oh, and another thing is, for every time you make a modded profile, your first one will be 0, but then your next one will be 1, and then the one after that will be 2, and so on and so forth. So I already have one on my Xbox. It's how I've been using DreamX Scoobies, because unfortunately I can't afford to change it. So I'm just going to change mine to 1. But assuming this is your first one, do not touch that. Now we're going to go to add, and then basically you can make it whatever color you want. I mean, I'm going to try a Y, and then yellow, and then YouTube, just because I love you guys so much. Alright, so we're going to want to save that. Just save it to your desktop. And then, boom, right here. So we're going to drag our modded profile under Madio, because it only makes sense, Madio. And then our regular one will just be this white piece of paper. Alrighty, so now we're going to open up Madio. Now Madio takes a long time to open up, don't ask me why. But I don't think it's that big a program. If it is, I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do about that. Now, just wait for it to open up. It kind of takes a long time, but remember, it's kind of like changing your gamertag, and works in all multiplayer lobbies except Black Ops. And, well, there is a way to do it in Black Ops, I'm just not sure how. You could probably find it on some other video on YouTube. Alrighty, now, I don't know why this is all white. Alrighty. Now, click the M, open a file from computer, and then choose the folder. It should end in 1940 for you, or it'll be a folder that says EOOO. That's yours. For you, it'll be 1940, but just keep going to the end until you hit the piece of paper. Alrighty. And then it'll say whatever you put in, it'll say appear. For me, it says YouTube, but the Y is the box because I use the button. And then it'll change your gamer picture, but that's only for this one profile. It's not a big deal. Don't touch it. Alright, now you go to rehash and resign right here. Click it maybe 2 or 3 times. Alrighty, I've clicked it twice. That should be good enough. Then just close it back. Then you could save it to device. Click save to device. It's saving our file. That's been successfully saved to our device. And just to be sure, we're going to go into USBXTAF. It only takes a couple seconds to load up, and it's worth it, and saves you plenty of time. rather than having to do it all over again, you could just check and be sure right here. Now under content, it'll show both of our profiles. Bam. Alrighty, we're done for our computer. Just safely eject our flash drive, and then it's not working for me. Oh god. Well, whatever. Safely eject your flash drive and then put in your Xbox, and I'll be back with you in a sec.